This is 316 Furnace Street, apartment number 5, going to move out. You have the living room. Couch needs to be removed. Carpets need swept up and cleaned. You got some drywall work on the ceiling needs to be done. All walls need to be painted. The trim is good. All the doors are good. Yeah, the kitchen floor will need to be cleaned. We need a complete paint job in here. Fix the drywall on the ceiling. Windows and blinds are good. Remove the smoke alarm bracket. Oven and stove needs cleaned, needs new drip pans. Countertops and sink needs to be cleaned. Old caulk removed from behind the sink and new caulk put on. Cabinets need to be wiped down. You have one cabinet door. The hinge needs to be repaired. Door needs painted. You have the hallway. Carpet needs cleaned. Complete paint job of the walls. Smoke alarm needs to be put back up. You have the bedroom. Carpet needs to be swept up and then cleaned. Doors need painted. Room needs a complete paint job. Remove all the nails, holes, and prep the walls for paint. Window seals need painted. Windows are good. Screens are good. Remove the brackets from around the windows. Move the trash out of the closet. You have the bathroom. Floor will need a good cleaning. Tub needs cleaned. Cold caulk removed. New caulk put on. Cabinet, vanity needs to be painted. Sink needs a good cleaning. Trash removed. Toilet needs a good cleaning. Walls need to be painted. Ceiling needs painted. You need to remove the stickers off the walls. Towel bar is missing. Door needs painted. This is 316 Furnace, apartment number 5.